If they say I ain't the baddest, then the motherfuckers lie.
What's up, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. So as y'all saw by the title, I'm going to be showing y'all how I achieved this set. I'm just going to be doing my non-dominant hands today. If you're new, make sure you hit the subscribe button. I'm about to just get straight into it. So y'all, I was about to file my nails, and then I was just like, nah, like forget that. Let's clip them down, if anything, and then file them after if they need to be filed down. So I'm just going in with my straight edge clipper. Make sure y'all check out my like nail haul, my $300 Amazon nail haul. I'm gonna have it linked in the iCards and the description box as well, to show y'all where I got everything from. Well, y'all know obviously I got everything from Amazon, but if y'all want exact links, go check that video out. And now I'm just using my drill, y'all. Now I'm gonna say most of the time of this video I was out of frame. I'm new to this whole nail setup thing. Like, I feel like my setup definitely could have been better, and it will get better, because y'all literally looking at me from like a top angle. So yeah, like, sorry if I get out of frame sometimes. Like, this was new. Doing your nails on camera, it's kind of hard if you don't have the angle set up. So yeah, I just buffed my nails, took the natural shine off of them. Now I'm pushing my cuticles back with this cuticle pusher. And yeah, I finished pushing the cuticles back. Now I'm just gonna be going in and kind of realigning my tips. I had these tips already out from the first set that I did on my right hand. So now I'm just trying to remember like which tip goes on which hand. And after I do that, I'm going to be ready to glue them on my KDS nail glue. Now, y'all, I am not a professional, by the way. Just want to put that disclaimer out there that I am not a professional. I'm definitely totally 100% a beginner. And I'm just using everything I learned off of YouTube to do this set, basically. So after the nail tips were on, I'm using my pink tip cutter. And I'm just cutting all the tips down to my preferred length, and then I'm gonna go in to shape them a little bit. The thing I like about these tips are that since they're stiletto, when you cut them down, you automatically get that like coffin shape, and you have less filing to do, which is great. So I'm just gonna go in and kind of perfect the shape of them, and then I'm gonna go be ready to lay my acrylic. Alright, y'all, so that's what the nails look like. Keep in mind, not only am I a beginner, but I am doing my non-dominant hand, so this was a little bit of a challenge. So be easy on your girl. But I'm basically just filing down where the natural nail and the tip meets, making sure that I'm only filing on top of the nail tip and not my actual nail bed. So I'm just making sure I blend each one of those in real nice, and I really try to get them like super duper blended, so it wouldn't be no little like hump or lump right there. Now I'm going on my Mia Secrets dehydrator and my primer. I honestly don't know what order. Like, I feel like I did it based off my common sense, but like one clearly goes before the other, or like, does it really matter? I don't know. But yeah, I'm just putting that on just the natural nail, so no need to put it on the tip from what I've learned so far. Now I'm going in with my brush. This is the Panda brush, and I got it off Amazon, of course, and it's the size 8 brush. Like I said, make sure y'all go check that video out to make sure and see everything I used in this video, and get the direct links and all of that stuff. I cannot talk today. Get the direct links and everything like that. So y'all, when I tell y'all these beads, like, especially because my nails are longer, I'm really getting the hang of, like I said, this was my first set, so I'm really getting the hang of like getting the right monomer to liquid, the liquid to powder ratio. I said monomer to liquid, the monomer is the liquid, but just getting the right monomer to powder ratio, or liquid to powder ratio. And I know it's so important, so y'all gonna see me like literally struggle towards the end. I actually end up practicing some of the beads, and I just been watching videos here on YouTube, learning how to get the right bead, so that it's not too wet, not too dry, but like just in between. So yeah, your girl was practicing. Well, not really I haven't really got much practice, if you think about it. Like I said, this was my first set, so I definitely practiced at the end though, making my little beads with the leftover liquid that I had inside of my dapping dish. So yeah, by the way, this is Mia Secrets, the clear powder, as well as the Mia Secrets liquid monomer that I'm using. So yeah, Y'all can just kind of watch me. Like I said, I might get out of frame sometime. I told y'all, just bear with me. I'm gonna get better. But there were some times where I was actually like in frame and y'all could see what I'm doing. So yeah. Alright y'all, so this is how my nails look after I laid out acrylic. They kinda lumpy, a little bumpy. Believe it or not, this hamp's actually better than my right hand, and I'm not gonna lie, I spent at least an hour and a half filing. So that is why it is so crucial that I must practice laying my acrylic correctly, because I would have less filing to do had I knew exactly how to lay the acrylic properly. So yeah, but I spent a minute trying to get these nails as smooth as I could, because there were a few imperfections in these nails. I'm still learning, but y'all, look at that dramatic difference between when the acrylic was first laid and then now. Like, I smoothed the heck out of them nails. Like, and y'all didn't see, but I went back and forth between my actual, y'all saw the file, the actual hand file, and then I also used my e-file. So I actually went back and forth between those two until I got like the look that I was going for. And there's me saying yes to the nails. I went off camera and washed my hands, and this is how they were looking. And this is not freaking bad for me to be like, this is my first set, but like, of course, me doing this again a different day on my left hand at that, or I'm sorry, my right hand. Child, get your left and right together. But anyways, clearly I'm using my left hand to do my right, so I'm using my non-dominant hand to do my right hand. But anyways, now that everything is smoothed out, I'm just ready to apply my polishes. And I was showing y'all which polishes I used. Again, I know I keep mentioning it, but I want y'all to really go check out that $300 child, can't talk, the $300 Amazon nail haul that I did, because y'all will know where all these products are from. But I'm just going in with the hot pink, as y'all saw, the light pink, the glitter for my my blinged out nail that I did, and those were the 3 colors that I used. So yeah, I'm actually going in right now and painting a base coat on. I ended up doing 3 layers of each polish on my nails. It took a while for this color to really build up, so I did 3 coats, and then 1 top coat and 1 base coat. So now that my nails are all painted, I'm actually gonna go in with my rhinestones at this point. And y'all, at this point, I did not have my Mia Secrets gel resin yet when I recorded this video, but I did end up buying some. And I'm just showing you guys. Oh, I actually did have it. I'm sorry. I did have it for this video, but I didn't when I actually did my left hand. I only had top coat, so I used top coat on one hand, which I was trying to show y'all, to adhere the rhinestones, and then on my right hand I am now using the Mia Secrets gel resin. I'm just kind of testing out how each one does. So far I did have a few studs falling off, and I'm recording this voiceover July 17th on Friday, so it's been like a few days since I actually did these nails, and I had just a few come off, and so far none for the Mia Secrets gel resin. So yep, I just did 1 layer of top coat for my right hand, and then for this set I end up using the Mia Secrets gel resin like I said. So yeah, just kind of comparing like how each one does and how each one reacts and holding the rhinestones down. I hope y'all can follow what I just said, and like sometimes I be just talking and it get confusing, so I hope it's not confusing, because I'm not trying to be confusing y'all. But anyways, now I'm just going in with my milk and honey cuticle oil, and I'm just applying cuticle oil to both hands because my other one was just looking like it needed it. And yeah, I'm gonna show y'all the finished results in a second, but for my first set I ain't mad at it. Like, this was kind of fun or whatever, and I'm so excited to just keep practicing and seeing what other sets I come up with. So I'm just rubbing that cuticle oil in. I end up washing my hands off camera, and then I'm gonna come back to show y'all the finishing results. So this was my left hand, which was the hand that was already done. Super duper cute. I think I did a good job, of course, because I used my dominant hand on this hand, so I feel like that's why it turned out better. And then this was my left hand. Definitely could be better, but yeah, this is what I did for my first set, and I ain't mad at it. I'm gonna also show y'all how they look with the flashes, so y'all can see like the rhinestones in full effect and everything like that. So yeah. Alright y'all, so this is how they look with the flash. Super duper cute, girly and pink, which pink is my favorite color. But yeah, overall I enjoy doing these nails, y'all. I'm gonna definitely keep practicing. Drop me down a comment below on what y'all thought, what I can improve on. I'm open to constructive criticism, period. But yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and I will see y'all in my next video.
Never asked was you love me with the phone when you home. All I ever asked was you show me some love, kisses, and hugs. I never had to let you go to the club with your boys.